Okay, so I am super excited for today's video because these are sneakers that I honestly think are the best collab sneakers of the year. And this is my own personal opinion, but these two sneakers right here are completely fire and I can't wait to do the unboxing with you guys today. So when I was a kid, I grew up watching Toonami, and Toonami was like a series of shows that was on Cartoon Network, usually like in the late afternoon. And for the most part, that was the first time that anybody has ever seen anime like in the States. You know, that's where they put like Dragon Ball Z, they had Naruto on there, and then they of course had Gundam. And now the Gundam series that I grew up with was Gundam Wing, probably the best series out of all of them. Not gonna lie, I might be biased, but that was the best one in my opinion, Gundam Wing. And essentially what Gundam is, it's just like giant mech robots and stuff like fighting each other all in space. And the Wing series had some of the most iconic Gundams. They just look really cool. Like the Wing Zero looked really sick, Death Sight looked really cool, Heavy Arms. There was just so many cool Gundam models that just look, I don't know, they just look awesome. So when I saw that this collab was happening, I was freaking out. I was like, I gotta cop these shoes, and I paid resale for them because I wanted them that bad. And so lastly, before I get into the unboxing, I just gotta say, like, one of the few things that I really wanted to do, like when I went to Japan in 2019, my wife asked, what is the one thing on your list that you want to make sure you get done no matter what? The nerd in me said that I want to go and look at the life-size Gundam in Odaiba. So on the third day we were in Japan, we ended up going. It was super cool. I took pictures over there and stuff. It was just really cool, and I love like Japan culture for like making things like that and just, I don't know, being inspiring and stuff. And so this collaboration has been a long time coming. It's been announced since like the start of the year, but even now the shoes have not officially released yet. They should be releasing soon. They have not officially released just yet though. And this is the shoe that I'm hyping up right here. This is the Gundam Nike SB Dunk High. And I just can't get over this shoe. This thing is so sick. If you guys are Gundam fans, you guys know they nailed the design of this. Even just from like an artistic standpoint, this was made so darn well. It's a Nike Dunk High model, and if you guys know Gundam, this is perfectly molded after a Gundam. One of the best features is like this angular toe box with like these little slits and edgy designs. Like this is really like what Gundams look like. They have like hard lines on them. And also you can see over here on the removable swoosh, this actually comes off like that. This is also like an iconic yellow that's usually on the Gundam's like head and stuff. Additionally, if you guys want to peep inside the box, this also comes standard with it. It's like this plastic case where it has the extra stuff that you can put onto your Gundam Unicorn SB, little stickers and stuff, and it also has like a different swoosh if you wanted to put that instead. And part of this collab, which was pretty cool, is that they had a bunch of like different like Gundam figures. That's another big thing in like these Gundam like culture stuff. You can actually make like these figurines that you could build and stuff, which I used to do as a kid. It's like plastic figures. They're called Gunpla, Gundam plus plastic, Gunpla. And you make those, and it's just a really fun experience, kind of like building a puzzle. So I ordered one of the Gundams that came in a collab with it. This is the little one over here. It's not shipping till February, so they sent you like this nice little keychain thing. Check that out. Nice little Gundam keychain. And it really just matches this shoe like perfectly. So this is a free little thing that they sent. Honestly, it should have came standard with the shoe instead of with the model, but it is what it is. Like, look at this guy. He's wearing freaking the shoe on the Gundam. Like, doesn't get better than that. It's so sick. They should have made giant Nike SBs for the Gundam in Odaiba too. That would have been very cool. And so the second shoe that they have, it's almost the exact same model, but this one isn't an all black upper, and this one is called the Banshee Norn. And this is supposed to be like the brother Gundam from the Unicorn anime. They're more like rivals in the show, where obviously the black one is the bad guy and the white one is the good guy. But Gundam stories and stuff, without giving anything away, they're a little bit more complex than just good versus evil, so you have to watch it. But this one is also nice. I like the white one better now that I'm looking at this one in person too, but I still appreciate like the features and execution of this one as well. As I mentioned, it's like a copper, like purple kind of look. So same thing over the toe box. It has like an evil kind of face looking thing though. I like that. Still has a removable swoosh. Has that Gundam Unicorn logo over here, which I just noticed, like if you guys peep that, the unicorn's eyes and Nike swoosh. That's so sick. I love that. And yeah, that's pretty much the same thing for here. It does come with the extra stickers and stuff inside, along with the other swoosh if you want to change it out. And as I mentioned, we also were able to get this, the Nike SB RX-09 Unicorn Gundam O2 Banshee Destroy model. So it has that black one instead. Very cool. I will be having like on-feet pictures and stuff later on. It's kind of like raining outside in Hawaii right now, so I'm not gonna wear it. But I was excited to open it up with you guys, show you what was going on with it, and just really like, if you guys can get it, you have to do it. Like, it's such a great thing. Like, even if you guys aren't into Gundams, the shoes themselves, like objectively, I think are nice looking. And if you're into Gundams, it's like a must cop. Like, really, they just executed so well on this. I personally think it's the best collaboration because they originally created these things, right? Because they were trying to like use it to help promote the 2021 Tokyo Olympic Games. And obviously it's November now, so I don't know why it was for the Olympics, but the shoe's only releasing now. However, it did create a lot of like hype in like the sneaker world, and it did bring buzz, you know, to Japan. But every detail and just the work that went into it, I appreciate like from just a sneakerhead standpoint and just a consumer standpoint as well. So if you guys are able to cop it, I highly recommend it. It's worth it at resale. It's worth it at retail for sure. You guys gotta have it. Gundam collection, man. I love this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you guys are Gundam fans, don't forget to like the video down below. Comment if you guys will be copying the white pair or the black pair or both. Or if you guys are just not Gundam fans and you think this collab sucks, let me know in the comments too. I always love hearing people's perspective. My perspective is this is the collab of the year. Maybe not sneaker of the year, but collaboration of the year. Bandai Namco, Nike SB, Nike, Tokyo Olympics, name it, they came together. Great execution. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!